So the wait is finally over. You're excited, I'm excited. What are we doing today? I'm going to share with you what I picked up at the Coach outlet this weekend, and it's kind of amazing, I'm not gonna lie. Listen, we went on kind of a Coach outlet odyssey over the weekend. We were driving back home from Indiana and we stopped at the Fremont outlet Coach store, which had a bunch of reserve, absolutely amazing. We stopped off at Michigan City, and then we hit Rosemont once we were back here in town. And if you haven't caught it yet, make sure to go back and watch that vlog after this. I show you all the fun stuff, what's new at the outlet, try on things, you name it. But I found some amazing reserve pieces that you can't even get on the website, and I'm gonna share them with you today. But before we dive into all that, hey guys, my name's Caleb. I post luxury and lifestyle related content every Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. So if that's something you're into, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Check out our membership, awesome engaged community. We've got the Discord, early drops, extra perks, access, member meetups. It's definitely worth it. It's a ton of fun. So we have two big bags here today. This is what I bought in Fremont, Indiana. So let's get into this one first because the holy grail item is in the second bag. So I'm gonna make you wait for that. And also wait till the very end because I'm gonna share these prices with you guys. And they're literally insane. They are so good. So first bag, what do we have? A box. Nothing more. Inside this box, listen, I have lots of designer home accessories, if you will. We have a lot of Versace X Rosenthal, Versace pillows, Dior picture frame, a lot of Coach things. And in here is another item for the home. This is the Coach picture frame from the boutique. So yes, this is a reserve item. This is what we call a full price delete in the biz. And this is so stinking cute. So here on the front, it says glove tan leather, but it's giving me like Vachetta energy. So this is gonna look so good sitting out on a side table. It's nice and casual. Minimal hardware. You just have the Coach tab you see here at the bottom. And then the style number is C7325. So the creed here says, this is a Coach picture frame designed to hold your favorite memories, only the best, and crafted to last. It reflects our commitment to quality and craftsmanship. And the back is kind of what sold me on it. So we have a lot of floating furniture throughout the apartment. So you can kind of see the back of picture frames, and the back of picture frames people often neglect. At a bare minimum, people should be taking a lint roller to that black flock material on the back of picture frames. But when the back of a frame is this good, hello, duh. So you have the layered wood here on the sides. The back, this beautiful orange pebbled leather with some saddle stitching. Also very minimal hardware down there at the bottom as well. And just overall like a really beautiful quality piece. This is gonna look so good. I'm thinking this is gonna go in our living room. We have some orange accessories, some orange accents in some of the fabrics, if you will. So this is gonna look really good. I'm excited. Are you guys ready for what's in the second bag? Well, first of all, I was in try on mode. So I'm trying this new thing where I'm trying on a bunch of bags in stores for you guys because, you know, seeing it on a 6'7" man is probably a really good reference point for most of you. I'm totally kidding. I was having fun with it. Like I was living my best life. And then I saw this beautiful wall of nothing but Coach reserve. Now that never happens at the Rosemont outlet, at least not when I go. If you've seen it, let me know down in the comments. I'll go a lot more often. But this wall, you guys, there were bandits. There were, I mean, so much good stuff. The backpacks, men's stuff. It was amazing. It was like, you know, the clouds parted, the light shone through, like it was stunning. And this was the crown jewel of that entire wall. And if you were paying attention, some of you have probably already clocked in the comments on my vlog. You probably already know what this is. Okay, I'm just gonna get it out. So this, and I'm sure you can probably already see it through this awful dust bag. Coach, please stop using this material for your dust bags. Get back to the cotton. Enough said though. So this is a style that's been on my wish list for a very long time, but I never thought I would get the Rogue 20 in the zebra hair calf. Literally phenomenal is this bag, you guys. So with this, the Rogue 20, the perfect size. This is gonna be great for like lunches out, afternoons in the city. I can just set this down on the table, not even have to worry about it. Beautiful hair calf. So this is basically calf leather that still has the hair on it. And then it's printed to look like zebra. This isn't a real zebra, like hello. This bag, you guys, is absolutely stunning. This has the special 1941 hang tag for the Rogue. And the hardware on this bag, you guys, is absolutely insane. Like the weight and heftiness of these zipper pulls is literally beyond. Like I cannot get over it. The interior is leather lined, tons of pockets, tons of little storage spaces. I'm a little disappointed. I didn't realize until I got home, I was missing the crossbody strap. So this comes with the two little shoulder straps that you can attach to these D-rings. And then you also have the option to attach a third strap, the crossbody strap. Sadly, mine was missing, so I didn't get I don't have that capability. Now, listen, with the price I paid, I'm not too worried about the missing strap. I'm still gonna reach out to customer service just to see if they'll send me one, but I'm not mad about it because honestly, with the hair calf bag, do you really wanna wear this crossbody and risk balding the hair calf? The answer is no. You shouldn't be wearing these on the body because as the friction, works its magic, it will eventually damage the hair calf and then you're just left with bald spots and then that is just sad. It'd be nice to have the strap, not too worried about it. I have wanted the Rogue for an incredibly long time. I was almost at the point where I had thought about making a custom one because you can do that at a lot of the boutiques. I still might, by the way. Now, although I have always wanted a Rogue, my husband made a really good point when we were on the car ride home. He was like, I'm really glad that you got a special one. I'm like, wait, what do you mean? Like, of course I got a special one. But he's like, no, if you gotten like a plain leather one, like a lot of the Rogues are, you probably wouldn't have grabbed it. And I'm like, that's a really good point because although I want a Rogue and I love the Rogue, if it was just another, solid leather color compared to some of my other bags, I probably wouldn't have reached for it as much as I would for the hair cap. So with this, I'm envisioning this for like spring, summer, even early fall, a lot of linen, just like beautiful chill vibes, like almost safari energy. I know, safari, zebra, groundbreaking. But I really think this is gonna be a really good bag in my collection. And if I was ever to get a Rogue, this is the one to have gotten. Now, you're all wondering, Caleb, what did you pay? What's the price? Drop the T, fill the T, whatever it is. You guys, when I tell you how good this price is, you're gonna kick yourselves. I would too if I was in your position and I wanted the hair calf Rogue. First things first, let's talk about the picture frame. So this gorgeous picture frame originally retailed for $175. I paid $74.90 after tax. God, I miss 7% Indiana sales tax, by the way, BTW. Now, I think $74 for a good picture frame is a really good deal. Again, we have some L'Objet picture frames, which as we all know, typically more than $74. Anytime you find a really good picture frame, just pick it up. Like, it makes such a difference. Good frames really help kind of up your setting, if you will. Super good deal. Now, the Rogue. Can you guys handle it? I don't know. So when it comes to the Rogue, ooh, sales tax, that's a killer. So this Rogue was originally retailed for $595. I got it before tax, $190.40. Now with that 10.25% sales tax, comes out to $209.92. Still not a bad deal for a Rogue, especially considering it's missing one strap. I know. Do I need it? Do I need the strap? Have you guys ever bought something from the outlet that didn't have the strap? Let me know in the comments. What was the outcome? What should I expect? Give me some pointers. I'm so excited to have this very special Rogue in my collection, and that is just one more. I know it wasn't on the wish list for 2024. I'm sure it was on my 2022 wish list, so that's another one we can check off the list for now. And it's in a stunning hair calf. That concludes our very fun outlet extravaganza, if you will. We had a vlog, we had an unboxing. What more could you ask for? Let me know in the comments, like, what are some of your really good Coach outlet finds recently? What do we think of the Rogue hair calf? Now, I know the Rogue 20, not really a new bag. Will I do a review on it? Let's be serious, probably. Not anytime soon, but let me know if you have any questions about the Rogue. I'll be happy to answer them. Until next time, guys, stay safe, have fun. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.